Hey, what is up everybody? So whenever my sister Kari comes over to our apartment, she goes into my cleaning supplies closet and literally starts to dust and wash and disinfect everything. I am totally serious. She says I can't stand it. To me, it's not that bad, but who am I to stop her from cleaning my apartment, right? So when this whole coronavirus outbreak started to spread, I knew she was just going to be all over it. So today, Kari is going to share her disinfectant tips with you to keep your home safe and disinfected. I'm Risa Morimoto, your host, and you're watching Modern Aging, where we chat about innovative and holistic ways to optimize our health and well-being as we age. If you click on that little red button below that says subscribe on it with that little bell next to it, you'll be sure to be notified whenever a new episode is uploaded. You can also sign up onto our email list and get the news of our latest and upcoming programs at our website at thisismodernaging.com. If you want to know what you should make sure you're cleaning and disinfecting in your home on a regular basis, especially now, you're definitely going to want to check out this video. To make things a little bit easier for you, we put a list and links of the DIY supplies in the description section below. So, enjoy.
Hi everyone, I'm Kari, and today I want to share some tips with you on how to sanitize or disinfect the high contact hard surfaces in your home. I myself am a bit of a germaphobe. I find that helping to keep my family and myself safe during this time by sanitizing and disinfecting really helps to calm me down. So there is a solution that I have found very helpful, and it's just your plain old Clorox bleach and some water in a spray bottle. And the ratio would be 6 tablespoons to 32 ounces of water in a spray bottle. And you just shake it up and make sure you have dedicated gloves on and a dedicated rag or paper towel. Around here in New York, there is no sign of any kind of commercial Lysol or, the commercial already made disinfectants. The shelves are wiped out, and everyone seems to have some Clorox or bleach in their laundry room. And so this is a very cost-effective and highly effective way of destroying the germs and viruses on the surfaces. So let me show you how easy it is. What you want to do is, if you're using a rag, you're going to use a rag that's dedicated only for this task. So you don't want to just start aerosol, spraying around the areas. What you want to do is spray into the rag or towel itself. This way you're not going to be aspirating the droplets, which is very caustic. Hence, that is why I'm wearing these gloves as well. It's very irritating to your skin. Okay, so what are the high contact areas of your home? The doorknobs in your kitchen, your refrigerator door handle, the stove buttons, microwave, the handles to your cabinets, the dishwasher, the faucets to your sink. Just places where numerous people will go and use or touch. Those are the spots that you want to hit. In the bathroom, of course, it would be the doorknob to get into the room. Also the toilet handle, faucets, the seat. I think it would be a great idea if each person in your household had their own individual towel, just dedicated to themselves so you're not cross-contaminating. But this gives me a little sense of control and a sense of that I am helping to keep my family as safe as possible during this really uncertain time. Stay safe everyone, we'll get through this together. Thanks for watching.